Hello and welcome back to my channel once again. Today episode we are going to look at how to become a successful artist or a successful musician. Even though music carries a lot of talent here, because if you have to become get the talent before you can become a successful musician. But one thing you just have to understand is that dropping music or dropping songs out there doesn't mean you are an artist. It means you are just releasing songs, but you are not an artist. So today we are going to look at some of the things that you need to put in place, or the measures that you need to put in place in order to become a successful musician. My name is Richie, and let's dive into it. Number one, you must develop your talent. Talent is very, very important. Even though most of us are having the talent, but we don't practice. You have to practice singing, you have to practice your rapping skills, you have to write your songs. Don't be like, oh, I'm just guessing, I just want to release a song, so you are just guessing. Guessing can sometimes make you wrong in some places. Yeah, so you just have to be very creative, and then you have to be stage presence. Yes, and then have to be very creativity, bring that creativity out of you every day. Don't be like, oh, always your star is this, so you always remain at that space or at that stage. No, don't be like that. Just practice, develop your talent through practice, through singing, through the rapping skills that you have. Don't relax on what you already have. Just develop a new skill for others to be like, okay, this guy is very good, so we can invest in that person. Number two on our list here is then create a unique brand. Branding yourself is very, very important. Your style of singing, your rap, even your name as an artist counts when it comes to branding. Yeah, when it comes to branding, your fashion style, the message that you bring out, and your personality should always stand out of the other musicians. Yes, so you can see we have an artist like Shatawale out there, Stonebwoy, Sarkodie. They are all having their own brand style. Yes, so sometimes you as an artist, an upcoming artist, you just have to also brand yours. You have to brand your music career in order to become a successful artist. You have to brand yourself, the way you dress, the way you talk to people, the way you not everywhere, but you have to always look presentable. Just brand yourself. Yes, so branding yourself as an artist is very, very important. Even your name, just for Google to authenticate your name very well for easily identification, just brand your name. Yes, don't leave that name, that local name there. Just brand it very well for you. Also, be consistent with content. So after releasing your songs, most people always be like, "Oh, okay, Charlie," they will call their friends, "Oh, Charlie, I dropped some music, oh, go stream." Yes, so this is the most important thing that we need to take very serious as an upcoming artist or as an artist. You need to take it very serious. Yes, don't be like, okay, I've released the song, so I'm not going to promote it, I'm not going to do anything about it. Yes, so after doing that, you can do freestyles about the songs that you released. You can shoot music video just to promote it, because nowadays videos move faster than audios, just because of the smartphones in the market space, or in on because of the internet. Smartphones are very important, and then videos move faster than audios. Yeah, so you can drop in the song and the person will give you a fire emoji whilst they've not even listened to half of the song. So after all these things, you just have to shoot your music videos and also create more content or social media content. Always be present on the social media. If not TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all the social media platforms are free, so you can go there, promote your music over there for the system to also verify your name over there. Also, network with the right people. This is very, very important. People like, when I narrow it down to our locality, most of us are doing music, but we are doing it the wrong way, because we don't have the right people to send the songs to. Music is an algorithm. Yes, the system that promotes our music is an algorithm. When you talk of algorithm, the system, all these songs pass through a system. So if it does not go through the right channel, your music can never perform on the internet. So the algorithm, let's take it that you have a song, we just release a new song about like a hip hop song. Yeah, you just release the hip hop song and then you just release it. You send a link to an elderly person. He just click on the link, just listen to 3 seconds of the song and just clicked off. Out of that, the system is going to detect it that your song is not good, so they are not going to no longer promote it to the higher audience. So always channel yourself with the right audience. Okay, so you can connect with producers, DJs, bloggers, promoters, other artists. Yes, so producers are the ones who are going to record the songs for you, but after that you just have to also connect with DJs and bloggers. They are very very important. They play vital role in your music career, so always take that as a note. And then other artists, that doesn't mean you have to become pompous like you are an artist, so you don't respect, like you don't want anybody's help. Featuring an artist on your song is very very important. Why? Because you can win at least 2 or 3 of the person's followers and adapt that to yours. So it's very very important as an artist. And also, number 5 on my list over here, that's the last one, is stay consistent and be disciplined and be patient. Stay disciplined and patient. Success does not happen overnight. Just keep that in mind. And then stay focused. Always stay focused. Don't be like, okay, I released 2 3 songs, so the song is not performing, so I'm clicking off. Maybe if you continue for some time, it's going to help you or going to pick up. So I always tell my boys that if you treat music as a business, it is going to feed you at your old age. But if you treat it anyhow, it's also going to play with you anyhow. So always be very careful with how you do your things. And then always try to distribute your song, not for only Audiomack, but try to move your song to the digital platforms out there. This is going to help you to become a successful musician. I would like to end here and then catch up with you in my next video. My name is Richie, and see you in my next video. Stay safe. Peace out.